in the car. Don't set up this. Wahaha. So that opens the box. How to redeem a free accessory. Scan me. Oh, really? I'll try that. So you open the box. That's what it looks like. So camera's on top. Power cable, rear camera, stuff, suction cup, little dash cam warning sticker, don't think bother putting that on, and the instruction manual. Okay. So, first things first then. And there is a gap along here, so hopefully we'll be able to slide the cable in there. But I'm not entirely sure where we're going to put it. Just take off all the plastic. Where'd that go? There it is. Get off. Right. Notice, if the camera records video in dual FHD resolution, it requires a high-speed recording. Please use high-speed memory card. It should be class 10 or above. We've got class 10 anyway, so that should be fine. So where's the memory card go? Right there. Where did I put the memory card is a better question. Oh yeah, down here. Right, so that's the suction cup on. That's cool. So that can go right up by the window there, can't it? Yeah. So that's cool. So basically it's going to hang up there. So all your power cables are here and that along the top, and then your SD card is in the bottom, so it makes it much easier to get it out. So that's good. On the other one, it was on the side. That's going to be the difficult bit, getting all the cabling. Well, obviously. So I'll try and get it set up first. I'm guessing that's for plugging it into your computer, yeah? Yeah, I don't know what that blue thing's for. Oh, I see, just took the cables away. I think that's quite clever. That could come in handy, right? So we've got everything we need out of the box now, so let's just get rid of that and back for now. Put those bits down there. So here's a power point. Now what I'm going to try and do is get like a multiple power point to go down and stick to the side here somewhere, or maybe even put in the glove box so it's out of the way, but obviously I haven't got that yet, so it's just going to have to go into the normal socket for now. Oh, I see. It was on, so it stays on, so you have to make sure we unplug it when Where's my phone? Oh, ha! Yeah. Duh. Right. So this is the power cable. That's the one problem. If you look at this, the power cable is a little bit, just a bit too high, really. So, but we'll see how we can do. Oh, that's cool. Got the front and the rear camera on anyway. Right. Whoa, let's have a look then. So that's the card formatted. No idea how to see the time and date, so we should probably look at the instructions. Okay. Does not tell me how to set the date. Whoa, it's snowing again. Oh, there, time set up. How do we miss that? It's a 6. I'm gonna say it's on the 5th. Oh, it's fucking right in front of me on the clock. Well, I've just noticed that's incorrect as well. Fuck's sake. 6th of the 4th, 21 at 16:02. Right, well, now I've done that, but I should set a clock on the car. Believe it or not, it's just started snowing again, which is great. Well, I haven't got the rear camera on. There we go. Oh, that's pretty much the front camera set up, but now obviously I've got all of these cables. So now I'm just to decipher which is which. Right, so this is the power cable, so that's cool. Right, where's that? Oh my god, I can't believe how dark it is. I can't get this to stick in. The reef lining on this car is a lot tougher and a lot better put in than the one on my MG. Well, in my MG's defence, that has all our airbags, it just doesn't have. And it's older, and it's, well, it's an MG. That's not the door, is it now? Cool. Yes. So we are getting there with the power cable. I'll show you what I've done in a minute. Yes. Okay. Believe how much it's snowing. So basically the power cable we've put along in the roof lining, and then we'll come down here, and it's under this rubber here, running all the way down here. Down here, as you can see, it's just sticking out a bit there. I can't get my hand in really, that bit. And then with it coming out here in the glove box, and I'm going to fit a multi-socket in there and thread the wire down here and along here into here eventually. So at the moment it's just stuck in there because obviously I've only got one, but then I'll have a multi-socket that will fit in here. So that's the plan. I'll leave it on, it's charging at the moment. So that should be recording. So that's the first bit done. That's the easy bit done. Look at the snow, man. So now I've got to do the back. Alright, so the rear camera, again, we've tucked up here. These bits of wires, although you can see them now, once one of our accessories is on, you won't see that. From the outside anyway. And then again, it's running along here, and then this time it's running under this. You can probably just see it in there, look. Under this seal to here. So now I've got to go climb in the back. So now I'm in the back of the car. So now, I don't know what that mark is, because then when I bought it. We've got to, excuse me, somehow figure out how to get it along here and into the back window. Yeah. So you can see I'm just literally pushing it under there. Ow, 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 ow. So actually this has been a lot simpler than I thought. However, the cable is going to be way too long. So that's a problem. Because yeah, we got all this cable, but it's actually been quite easy to put in. Actually, it's kind of pushing the trim out a little bit, but you can't see it that much, he says optimistically. And you do get this little blue tool thingy here, so I'm just going to try and push it in a bit more. So there we go. So you can see a little bit if you compare it to the other side, but I don't see it in the back, so it's fine. So to be fair, this was quite a lot easier than I thought. So basically the wire runs along here, and then it runs under the seal all the way around the window, and then I've looped it back on itself, and then back up again, and then stuffed it underneath there. So I'm going to see if it works with the boot open now, and I'm going to check the camera is looking at all the right things, and then that's it. So as you can see, when the boot up is a bit untidy, you can see the cable going up there and the stuff I've stuffed basically down there. Hopefully that will be alright in there, but we'll see how it goes. Where is it? There it is. Not quite in the middle, I don't think, but there you go. You can just about see it. We can't see any of the wires hanging down or anything, so job's a good one. Let's go see what the picture's like. Alright, so the rear camera wasn't on, and it's just because I pulled the plug out a little bit, but I don't know if you can see that. So it's pretty much shut up fairly well. So we'll go and give it a test in a minute out on the road. Alright, so let's go test the camera. I'll put some footage at the end of this video. Will not believe how much it's snowing. It's weird. Put that back as well. The camera's on, I can see that, that's cool. Off we go. In the snow. I've just cleaned my car, man. Turn that down. Turn that off. This is fun. So they should now be recording away. But that does mean hopefully we'll have to do some, because I did have a plan. I did actually film a video. It took me forever to do because my old camera on my MG doesn't film in the right format. I don't know what this films in, so I don't know yet. But basically, the video format wouldn't work with what's it called? Windows Movie Maker, which is basically what I use to edit my videos because I have no knowledge at all about editing or anything like that. I really need someone to show me like a good program, how it works, and something that's like cheap or free. Because it's not my forte. But yeah, basically, so I strung together a load of like incidences that I'd filmed on my that my camera picked up over like a period of like 6 months, and I did it all, deleted all the raw footage, and then the video went wrong, and I was like, splendid. So that was a bit problematic. Better than this tomorrow when I'm at work. Enjoys working outside, eh? April, man, and we've got snow. What's going on? It's like, it's snow in April. This has not happened for a while. Excuse me, got a cough. It's like, this is weird. Very weird. Don't pull out, don't pull out, don't pull out. Oh, you pulled out. Oh, you were lucky. Okay, I'll lay off on that one. My eyes want it. Oh, shiny fuel. I better get some fuel out here as well then. Right. Just gonna go get fuel. That's £40 worth of fuel in. It's pretty much full. We're doing quite a lot of videos. We can reset the trip, see how many miles we actually get from it. 2 degrees outside apparently. MPG, come on, there we go. Right, let's carry on our journey. Test our camera. Oh, traffic. 1, 2, 3. Yes, yes, yes. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. This is going to make my drive to work a lot more interesting, because some of the driving you see is huge. So this is good, because it means I can post bad drivers. I really need a haircut. I'm really starting to kind of look like a, well, yeah. Full of fuel. cyclists in the cycle lane. So, quick stop off at the shop. On we go. Nice and warm in here. And one thing I will say about this car, it has exceptionally good heating. I don't know why. The heating, which is exactly the same type of heating my MG as my old MG. My old MG heated up really quickly. My new one, I say new, I've had it like 2 years. My current one, my petrol one, does not. I don't know why. But whether or not that's something to do with the current issues and everything else, potentially. But there we go. But this, the heating in this is great. The aircon's good as well, so it's good. Good on both levels. we are, home again. So that's it, back home. So I'll get the footage off the camera for the little drive we've just taken and see what it looks like.
Jet plane headed up to the sky, spread wings and the clouds getting